Hi friends, myself Arun-Venkat, is Venkat, is Rahul, is Molis. These are my colleagues. Now we discuss about what is organizational structure. Before organizational structure, we want to know what is organizing. Organizing is a structuring and arranging of work to accomplish organization goals. It is an important process what a manager designs of organization structure. Now we enter into a topic organizational structure. Organizational structure. It is a formal arrangement of jobs within an organization. The deliberate arrangement of activities of different sections of people to achieve their objectives and goals. In an organizational structure, there are 6 elements are included. Work specialization, departmentalization, chain of command, unity of control, centralization and decentralization, and last is formalization. Now we talk about work specialization. Most managers today see work specialization is an important process organizing mechanism because it implies be more efficient. For example, McDonald's use I work specialization to get its more and delivers to be effectively. Second is departmentalization. Jobs are work together, so work gets done in a coordinated and integrated way.
Chain of command. Chain of command is the line of authority. It extends from upper organization level to lower organization level. There are two types of authority, line authority and staff authority. Line of authority. Line of authority is there is a relationship between subordinate and immediate superior. It deals with day-to-day tasks. Staff authority. Staff authority, there will be a HR department control over the staff organization. It deals with general principle, salary, etc. Span of control. Span of control is the traditional view that managers could not, should not directly supervise more than 5 or 6 subordinates. Centralization and decentralization. Centralization is the upper level of organization. Decentralization is a lower level of organization. In centralization, company is large. In decentralization, company is geographically depressed. In centralization, decisions are relatively minor. In decentralization, decisions are significant. Formalization. Formalization means it refers to how standardized an organization, job and employee behavior is guided by rules and procedures. Employee have little discretion over what is done, how is done and when it is done.
Traditional designs. When designing a structure, a managers may choose one of the traditional organization designs. These structures tend to be characteristics of nature. Simple structure, strength, weakness, strength, fast, flexible, inexpensive, maintain clear, accountable. Weakness, not appropriate as organization arrows reliance on the person is risky. Functional structure, strength. Functional structure it include two weakness, strength and weakness. Strength, cost saving advantages from specialization. Employees all grouped with either who have similar tasks. Weakness. Weakness, it is pursuits of functional goal can cause managers to close right off what is best for the overall organization. Division structure, strength. Focus on result division. Managers are responsible for what happens to their product and service. Weakness, duplication or activities and increase loss of reduce fairness. Contemporary organizational designs. Team structure, a structure in which the entire organization is made up of work groups or teams. A team structure is one in which the entire organization is made up work team that do the organization madly project structure. It is a structure that assigns replace from different functional areas to work on project, but hold to their areas when the project as a competitor. Project is a structure in which employees continuously work on project.
Now I am going to talk about boundaryless structure, a structure that is not defined by or limited to artificial, horizontal, vertical and external boundaries. It includes virtual and network types of organization. Boundaryless organization, an organization whose design is not defined by or limited to horizontal, vertical and external boundaries enforced by a predefined structure. Virtual organization, an organization that consists small core of full-time employees and outside specified temporarily hired as needed to work in project. Network organization, an organization that use its own employee to do some work activities and a network of outside supplies. Finally, learning organization, an organization that has developed the capacity and continuously learn, adapted and change.